welcome to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, today we are making Chef Pup hamburgers. All right, these hamburgers are very filling, and I hope you try to make this recipe because it's very simple, and you will enjoy it. All right, you might be able just to eat one, but if you're lucky, you can eat two. All right, so without further ado, let me get the ingredients set up, what I'll be using. All right, so what I got here, I have a cookie cutter, a cookie mold actually. Cookie cutter, whatever you want to call it. I have the largest out of my tin. Where's my tin at? Yeah, I bought these off of Amazon. Cookie cutters, 12 round stainless steel. All right, so these are the cutters here, and I am using the largest one. All right. This out of the way. All right, so let's go over the recipe. Very simple. Okay. Pepper, salt, and ground meat. That's it. That is it. All right, so let's get to making these burgers here. All right. So what I want to do with these burgers, I want to fill this tin up. I want to fill them up. Get them nice and shaped out here. Yeah, there's going to be some nice burgers here. Some nice burgers. All right. All right, I have a lot to do because I'm having a lot of guests today. And that looks damn near perfect. Look at that. Look at that burger. Nice and smoothed out. All right. Oops, there we go. Popped right out. All right. That's my burger. All right, I'm gonna do one more. Definitely gonna do one more. All right. I also took some wax paper and I cut them into squares so I can put them on top of each burger. All right, so I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest, okay? So we can get cooking these burgers. And when I come back, I will give you exactly how much ground meat I'm using. All right, I'm gonna weigh it. Okay, look at that, that's perfect right there. Squish down on the sides. All right. All right. There we go. All right. So you know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to do it right now. Let's get the weight on it because you definitely need the weight for the size burgers that I am using. All right. We're almost a little over 8-ounce burgers. All right. Out of the way. Almost 8-ounce burgers. All right, so let me finish up these because I have a lot more to do, and I'll be back. All right, so what we're gonna do now, let's get these burgers going. Give you a look at what we're dealing with here. All right, this is Chef Puff's Burgers. All right, I am going to hit it with some pepper and some salt and pepper. That's all I'm going to do to them. All right, press in a little bit, give it a little rub down. All right, and there we go. Now, I don't know if this is a myth, but we're gonna try this. They say if you put it indent, let's try something even better. Indent in the middle of the burger, it will not shrink. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of these, and when these are done, we're gonna be right back so we get our eat on. So y'all guys stay tuned. It's gonna take some time to cook these here. All right, so y'all guys just stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, these hamburgers came out fantastic. I did add a little bit of white cheddar cheese on it. Okay, it's a lot. We're actually missing a person, but these hamburgers are guaranteed to fill you up. All right, they will fill you up. If you can look at, and they are cooked to 165 degrees internally, just right. Okay, so without further ado, guys, subscribe, ring that bell, give me thumbs up, tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Puff, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next video.